Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing real user reviews and experiences with Quietum Plus Pills for tinnitus relief. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by persistent ringing or buzzing sounds in the ears, and it can greatly impact one's quality of life. Many people have turned to Quietum Plus Pills as a potential solution for their tinnitus symptoms. Join us as we dive into the testimonials of real users who have tried this supplement. Our first user, John, suffered from tinnitus for years. He struggled with sleepless nights and constant distraction due to the ringing in his ears. After hearing about Quietum Plus Pills, he decided to give it a try. John was amazed at the results he experienced. The supplement not only reduced the intensity of his tinnitus but also improved his overall hearing. Now, he can finally enjoy a peaceful night's sleep and focus better during the day. Next, we have Sarah, who had been living with tinnitus for as long as she could remember. She was skeptical about trying yet another supplement, but she decided to give Quietum Plus Pills a chance. Sarah was pleasantly surprised by the positive changes she experienced. Not only did her tinnitus symptoms lessen, but she also noticed a boost in her overall mood and energy levels. Quietum Plus Pills have made a significant difference in Sarah's life, allowing her to enjoy moments without the constant distraction of tinnitus. Our last user, Mark, had been searching for a solution to his tinnitus for years. He had tried various treatments and therapies without much success. When he heard about Quietum Plus Pills, he didn't have high expectations. However, after a few weeks of taking the supplement, Mark noticed a significant reduction in his tinnitus symptoms. The ringing in his ears became less intrusive, allowing him to focus better at work and enjoy moments of silence without constant noise. Quietum Plus Pills have shown great potential in helping individuals alleviate the symptoms of tinnitus. These testimonials from real users demonstrate the positive impact this supplement can have on one's quality of life. If you're struggling with tinnitus, consider giving Quietum Plus Pills a try and experience the relief many others have found. Don't let tinnitus control your life any longer. Thank you for watching.